I seared this prime New York strip in my blazing hot Ooni Koda 2. Tonight, it's going back in the heat on a pizza. Welcome to From the Lab, where flavor experimentation gets serious. Let's break it down. This New York strip was cooked hot and fast in a cast iron in the screaming heat of the Ooni Koda 2. For the base, we're starting with my 72-hour cold ferment dough, light, bubbly, and elastic. Perfect for holding up to a heavy build like this. After a nice stretch, we're going to hit it with our toppings. Start with the barbecue sauce base, some freshly shredded mozzarella, our prime New York strip, and a little bit of caramelized onion. I know, I'm breaking the cardinal rule of pizza making, which is don't overload your pies. Let's see if this can hold up. Our Ooni Koda 2's dialed to 900 degrees, baking this thing in about 90 seconds. The crust is lifting, the onions are sizzling, and that steak's getting a second sear. Oh yeah, look at that. That's not just dinner. That's a statement. Straight from the lab. Now let's dig in and see how we did. We'll finish it off with a quick drizzle of secret sauce and cut in. Looks like a good bake on the crust and is holding up to all our toppings, even if we went a little crazy there. Ridiculous. Straight flavor explosion. Another perfect bake in the Ooni Koda 2. This crust is fire. Check out my page if you want the recipe. And that's the Steakhouse Pizza. Prime New York strip, twice baked in the Ooni, secret sauce, caramelized onions, and mozzarella. Save this one for your next pizza night and be sure to follow Backyard Pizza Lab for more pizza bakes.